Hello guys, I'm greeting you on our channel, and today I will tell you and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $515. And our first step for this, we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code. Next step. After downloading the application, we are going to the apps, and if you have an account, log out of it. It's important for get the maximum bonus. Next step, tap registration, and right now I will choose by phone, but you can choose in one click, full, or via social media. What do you want? Tap there, and in this, your current code of your country. I'm enter the random number, but you need to your current number, current value to US dollar, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24, and select your bonus on spot or on casino. Next, confirm all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. Next, tap on the green check mark, but I didn't because my number is not correct. After login, you will see our login and password. I recommend you to screenshot this for your pleasure or change it right now for didn't lose your big bonus. And after that, go to our final step in account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. And thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and goodbye and good luck to all. Have fun.